Guys, hope you click and subscribe, comment down below, and click that bell button. This is East and Night, and today we're going to be seeing some cool cars, and I'm going to show you the first one in 3, 2, 1. This is low down with seal, small block Chevy, and made by Cooley Truck Ratrod, and it's a cool one, custom seats, and steering rail comes off, shifter, dually. Okay, we're going to go to the other one in 3, 2, 1. This is Evil Ethel, and it has a small block Chevy too. This low down loose seal and racing tires, metal seats, and same headers. And we have one more to show you. This is Evil Ethel, and it's made by Top Rat's Garage and a small block Chevy. Hope you click and subscribe and comment down below and hit that bell button.